In Python, sometimes programs need your help to decide what to do next. And the way you help them is by giving input. That means your program can ask you something, wait for your answer, and then do something based on what you typed. This is called user input, and today you are going to learn exactly how it works. Let us begin with the basics. Input simply means information that a person types into the program while it is running. So imagine this. You open your program. It asks, "What is your name?" And you type ZeroBug, and your program replies, "Hello, ZeroBug." That back and forth is what makes your code interactive. Now, here is how the input function works. In Python, you write input with round brackets, and inside those brackets, you can add a message like "What is your name?" When this code runs, Python will stop and wait until the user types something. Whatever they type becomes a value, and you can store it inside a variable. But here is something important you must remember. The input function always returns a string. That means even if you type a number like 20, it still gets treated as text. So if you want to do math with it, you first need to convert it using int or float.